In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Safari history. Whether you're on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, the process is quick once you know where to look. By the end, you'll be able to find recently visited sites, scroll back through previous days, and adjust how far back you want to review, all without leaving Safari. Start by opening Safari on your device. Make sure you're in a regular browsing session, not private browsing, because private browsing doesn't save history. If you use the same Apple ID across devices with iCloud enabled for Safari, your history may sync, so what you see on one device can also appear on another. Give Safari a second to load if your connection is slow or you've just reopened the app. Next, look for the icon that opens your history view. On iPhone or iPad, tap the book-shaped icon. It's usually at the bottom of the screen on iPhone and near the top on iPad. In the panel that appears, switch to the clock tab to reveal your browsing history. On a Mac, you can open the history in two common ways. Click the sidebar button in the toolbar and choose the clock icon for history, or use the menu bar at the top of the screen and open the history menu. Either path takes you to the same place, a chronological list of sites you've visited. Now, click or tap History to view your entries. You'll see items grouped by time, typically today, yesterday, and then earlier dates. You can scroll through the list to find a page you want to revisit and select it to open it right away. If the list looks sparse or empty, it could be that history was recently cleared or you were browsing privately earlier. Give it a moment to populate if you just launched Safari. To control how far back you want to check, use the pop-up or filter control available in the History view. Depending on your device, you may see options like Today, Yesterday, the last 7 days, or All History. Choose the range that best fits what you're looking for. If you remember part of a site's name, use the search field at the top of the History view to narrow the results instantly. This is especially helpful if your history is long. That's it. You've launched Safari, opened the History view, selected History, and adjusted how far back you want to look. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to retrace your steps online.